Hi, in this video, let me show you how to set up your HP printer that is the DeskJet 2855E with your PC computer. How to connect them, how to print a document using Wi-Fi, and also how to scan and get the results on your PC. First of all, make sure that the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode. Go on the control panel over here. Then on your computer, you need to go on the Windows Microsoft Store. Okay, so once you see Microsoft Store, let's open it because we need to download the HP app. This is how both are connecting. You don't need to download any drivers. Just by going into the Microsoft Store, typing HP in the search bar. Okay, HP. You should get in the first result HP Smart. Go ahead and open the app once you have downloaded it. On the main display of the app, click on Add Printer. If you do not see Add Printer, sometimes you may have to click on this icon over here. It's the same exact thing. Both are to add a new printer to the app. It will search for it and wait a few seconds, it should appear. Okay, once you see HP DeskJet 2800 series, click on the Setup button. Press Continue. Continue. Wait a few seconds. It will ask you to press the I button on the control panel of the printer. Wait until it asks you. This is it. Okay, press and release the flashing I button. Press once and wait a bit more on the display of your computer. Press Continue. If your computer is stuck with this page, don't worry, simply close and open the app again. It happens sometimes. It's HP after all, not the most reliable company. Okay, it's loading and the printer should be present, should be connected to the app, even though the screen has frozen during the setup. Here we go. It will say finish setup, but don't worry, it will work anyway. And let me prove it. So over here we have all these icons. Let me show you how to scan. So I'll press the scan button. On the scanner, you need to input the page facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. Put it like that and make sure that this corner of the scanner, the lower right one, connects with the corner of your paper. This is how you know that everything is aligned. Close the lid. Over here, you can change a few different things. You can select, if you're scanning a document, a picture, the size of your document, to scan in color, black and white. And once you're ready, just press the scan button. In around 12 seconds, the result should appear on the display of your PC. Okay, it's almost there. Here we go. Very quick. You can add more pages to this document in case you want to combine them in one PDF. And here you have the typical options. So to print whatever you scan, to save it on your PC, or to share it with your favorite contacts. To print any documents on the main menu, let me just exit here. Do you want to exit? Of course I want. You have to select print document or print photo. Document, okay, over here, print document, and print photo over there. I'll select print document. It will ask me to open any file I wish to print from my PC. There's a few details you can change, like if you want to print in color and black and white and other things that will appear on the left side here. And at the end, press the print button to start the process. And here we go, the result came out. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.